that one.
¿Y qué?
Look at that one. It looks like a big tree. Uy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that one. Ooh. That one spread out pretty big. Ooey. Another one. Look at that one, Dad.
And we got the windows up.
And
You can hear them. Just imagine we had the windows down.
Leo has the window down.
Yeah, but still. See her? Huh? You gotta scare her.
Yeah. The people. That one's quick, that one.
That it?
No. Ooh. Julieta.
They want to go on.
What do I say?
You can tell the people. And the cops are already over there with the lights on it.
Oh, sí. You could tell.
We'll head that way and get a Starbucks and meet Mona.
Call her to see where she's going to go.
What's Alia's on my phone?
Alia,
She's recording.
dame el teléfono.
She lives over there anyway, no?
Yeah. She lives by Starbucks.
No be bad if there was a firework that would spell a
Tú
name.
ya no estás mirando, por favor. Sí, ya no estás mirando.
Do you think they could do that? Like something special, like a firework that say your name?
Chris, let's put your name, mija.
It's too dark. You can't see nothing at all.
That's too dark.
Why does the videotape red? I don't like that. Look, Dad. See how the videotape's red? Even videotape's red at the house. Look at that. That big one.
Tú me dejaste toda reguñada, madre. Tú me dejaste toda reguñada.
See, look. Look.
Look, those are the best ones. Oh my God, oh my God. Mom, I'm getting this.
You are, baby? Cool. Yeah.
See, that's when it's over.
Oh.
See, because they're not going to let us go through.
Sweet.
See like this?
Hey, get up, it's over. Where did they? Oh, here you go, mija. Oh, cool. Wow.
That's it. Oh, la cagaron con una última. Okay, ya, esto fue curiosa.
We'll go get you back. The cops are there.
A ver.